Hi, this is Jubaida. My graduate with honors backend project is a Flask app that helps to store note in a database. I am going to show my portfolio website utilizing Python, Flask, SQLite database and more. The goal of this project is to show how to create a new user account and store that data into a database. Also log into user account and associate information with a specific user and log out from the account. You can see my website is running and this is a sign up page for new user, or we can log in here. Let's make a new account. So this is my mail address. My first name, last name and password. Confirm password. Okay. So my account has been created successfully. Let's add some note here. Okay, let's add another one. Okay, now I can delete a node from my home page. If I log out, it redirect me to the login page. Let's log in again to my account. Let's try with wrong password. So it show me a message incorrect password. Let's try it with the valid one. Okay, so you can see the note came from the data page. If I try with empty note, it's also show me a message note is too short. Okay, so let's try with another user account. You can see others note from different user. Okay, so the next part of the project, I am using Visual Studio for my project. I called it FlaskWebApp. In the website folder, I store all of my code in my website. Then main file used to run my web server. Then init file use for import website folder. Whatever in init file will run automatically. Views file store all of the URL for my website. Then auth file for authentication routes like login, logout and sign up. Then model file for database model. I route two model, one for nodes and another for user. And then static folder used for static data like JavaScript, CSS and images. And then template folder used for HTML content. Here are the base template for my website will look like this base template, like header, navbar and footer. There are other override HTML page on my base template like home, login and sign up.html. This is all about my portfolio project. The biggest challenge in this project for me is writing code for the front end with Bootstrap. In the future, I would like to add edit functionality for nodes and also add some other features for the user to update their profile. Thank you everyone for viewing my project.